big announcement from the mayor of the Big Apple. He is putting New York City's private sector employers on notice that their workers must get vaccinated against COVID-19 before the end of the year. BNC's Dray Clark is in New York with more.
New York City's Mayor Bill de Blasio says the city's decision to implement newer and tougher vaccine mandates is a preemptive strike, as the city is now concerned about the Omicron variant spreading across the city and leading possibly to the kind of restrictions and shutdowns we saw in 2020. He says the only way to stop that from happening is for more people to get vaccinated, and so these new mandates are both vital and necessary. New York City is now first in the nation to mandate all employees who no longer work remotely at private companies be fully vaccinated by December 27th.
We're going to be talking to them in the next days on how to put together the right plan to implement this.
184,000 businesses are on the list. The city is now setting up call centers and launching outreach efforts to address questions and concerns.
Vaccination works and vaccine mandates work. That's the bottom line.
The mayor also announcing today that children between the ages of 5 and 11 will now be required to have at least one dose of the vaccine by December 14th if they participate in high-risk extracurricular activities like indoor sports, or if they want to sit down inside movie theaters and restaurants.
Case rates are currently highest among our 5 to 11-year-olds. But we can change this, and indeed, parents have already vaccinated over 130,000 kids since 5 to 11-year-olds became eligible.
The same vaccine mandates have already been in place for everyone 12 years and older. Meanwhile, 94% of city workers are vaccinated. The goal is for the private sector to accomplish what the public sector already has.
There's not a testing option as an alternative, and anyone who is unvaccinated would need one dose by December 27th.
The mayor says the city has to take aggressive and bold action as the new Omicron variant reaches the city. So far, of the 8 cases of Omicron already documented in the state, 7 are from the New York City area.
And you can expect, and I'm sorry to say this, you can expect community spread. We have to assume it's going to be widespread. We have to assume it's going to give us a real challenge.
At least 16 states around the country have reported Omicron cases. And with the cold weather and holiday gatherings on the way, more people could become sick. Vaccination is the best defense against widespread transmission, de Blasio says. Otherwise, another period of restrictions and shutdowns could be in the city's future.
We are not going back to what happened in 2020. We cannot allow that to happen.
Hank Newsom, co-founder of the grassroots nonprofit Black Opportunities in New York City, has raised concerns about vaccine equity in Black and brown communities. And he now takes issue with how the city is ordering people and not asking them to consider taking the vaccine.
I don't want to see more Black people die as a result of COVID, and I would love to see this virus contained, but I'm anti-mandate. You know, you can take the vaccine if you want to. I am anti-mandate and I am not anti-vaccination.
City leaders say they expect some companies to file lawsuits challenging these new vaccine mandates, but they believe they have good legal standing to make these changes because it's a community health issue that could be both costly and deadly. In New York, I'm Dray Clark for Start Your Day.